Welcome to the kitchen of Darian May Cooking for a Healthy Lifestyle. If you're on the channel for the very first time, welcome. Please like this video by giving it a thumbs up. Please share this video with your friends and family, and please consider subscribing. For all my returning viewers and subscribers, welcome back. Thanks for your support in helping this channel to grow. Please continue to like the videos and to share the videos. Well, interesting summer recipes are ahead. We will start with the grilled chicken rice bowl. So today we are making grilled chicken rice bowl. And here we have our ingredients: boneless, skinless chicken. We have the rice here. You can use a rice of your choice. Today I'm using the Manhattan jasmine brown rice. So remember, it's rice of your choice. I have some corn. I have my marinade mixed. Remember, all the ingredients will be in the description, but my marinade is made up of some lime juice, honey, garlic, pepper, olive oil, and some chicken seasoning. I have here some red onion. I have an avocado. I have a tomato. So we're going to start out by seasoning that chicken. So we're going to rub the chicken with the marinade in just a minute. So I've seasoned my chicken with my marinade, and I'm going to set it aside and allow the marinade to infuse in the chicken for at least 30 minutes or an hour. But I think I'm going to be leaving it for an hour. And after 1 hour of marinade, my chicken is now ready for the grill or the oven. So I'm going to put that in the oven while my rice is cooking over here, and then I'm gonna get ready the other ingredients meanwhile. So let's put this in the oven, and it's chicken bits. It doesn't take long, so I'm gonna give it about 20 minutes, like 10 on each side. Let's check on the rice. Ooh. So the rice is done. So I'm gonna turn the stove off and leave that until our chicken is ready. And I also like to throw my corn on the grill, so I'm gonna do just that right now. Now my chicken and my corn is ready. Just took them off the grill. I have my tomato my diced tomato, some avocado slices, and I have the red onion, and I have the rest of my marinade sauce, and my rice is all done. So I have everything that I need for my grilled chicken rice bowl. So now I'm going to show you how I put that together. And this is your grilled chicken rice bowl. All the ingredients that you put together. And all I'm going to do now is to drizzle the rest of the marinade on top of the chicken, or we could do it all over. Just drizzle the rest of the marinade. And that's your lovely summer grilled chicken rice bowl. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to give a thumbs up. And please remember to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And please remember to check out my shop, Darian May. My other channel, Darian May, Matt Max, and my shop. The link is on my channel homepage. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!